What's up, Facebook? It's been a while since I've done an update on the Candlepin Bowling app. Everyone's doing good, corona free, and I've been doing a lot of teaching. So every little moment, every now and then, I would do some work on it and figured, hey, it's a good time to show you guys where it's been. So Unity has a new feature now where we can do in simulator, which makes the testing across multiple platform a lot easier, which will increase the time, well, decrease the time it takes to push out the app. So now I can go from an iPad to an iPhone, Google Pixel, HTC, LG, Samsung, any device that is listed here with just a click of a button. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this on an iPhone 7 or 8, and we're gonna run it. Just take a look, just a look into it and see how it's going. So I was hoping to keep away from the Facebook login, but the alternative was not better. So for a lack of a better word, it was crap. So we're gonna go with Facebook anyways. Just trying to make it a little bit more robust with Facebook changing policies, privacy settings every now and then. Just want to make sure it doesn't get broken in the next months after being released. So there's a button here to check if you want to stay signed in, but then when you hit sign in, normally when it's live you'll see the Facebook dialog here, but for me it's not live. So I need to get my access token from the Facebook developer console, and this will allow me to log in and pretend that I have actually sign in. All right, so back to simulator, and I'll send it. And now I've signed in. Best score 39. So you would be able to see your highest score right here, labeled best score. It's probably going to be a little button or something here, maybe in the settings. I think I've already put it in settings. Yes, I did. The settings where you can log out of Facebook and then log into another account, because if you would check that button at the front, every time you open the app, it will automatically log you in. And so let's say you want to log in with a different account. It's going to be a leaderboard, which 39, that's bad, which will show you only people that are a part of your Facebook friends. Show you a list here of their scores. I don't really have any set up with this testing. And then a little button at the top where you can switch to show all just global score. Now right now it says private profile, and that's because on that profile, which was a test profile I created, I purposely, when it asks you like the certain permissions, when you're signed into something with Facebook, the app requires certain permissions to be able to do things like this. So if that person had selected no for profile, then people wouldn't be able to see their name or their photo. And then I'll just put like a placeholder image. And then you can share your score to Facebook with this button. I'll go back. So that was settings, that was the leaderboard. It's going to be a store. Right now I just have 3 balls in there. And the size and width, the size and weight of the ball would matter when it comes to like the speed and such. So yeah, and then there would be like this like Candlepin coin that you collect in order to purchase more. And so I'll add more in later. And then when you hit play, there's a single play. There is a what is this one? Let me see over here. I don't have it set up where it actually slides. It's supposed to slide, but I have it really on. It's really sticky. So there's maybe a tournament. I'm thinking this would be like a daily. There's gonna be like a daily leaderboard that you would then pay 50 of that in-game currency, and when you pay, you then basically go up against the world. Go up against the world. And so in the leaderboard here, there's just a regular leaderboard. I think I'm gonna have a daily one. Then you switch to the daily one, and then at the end of the day, if you had the highest score, or within the top 3, I think you get a payout back with the amount of coins or whatever. So you get to win some coins that way. I might try to make it a little bit more realistic, like real bowling alleys, where you obviously have to pay for every time you play, and so it makes the in-game currency a little bit more valuable. And no, there's not going to be any credit card or anything like that required to play the game. You'll never really have to make an actual purchase with real money in the game. It's not like that. You might have to wait a day for your coins to regenerate if you like completely run out, or there might be some options here where you can like watch a video and earn a certain amount of coins, so that the game is somewhat monetized, I suppose. So here's some really cool pictures that I got from Facebook at some point when I was just asking for some. So thank you guys for sending those. It'll be like the in case on some phones like the game would load slow, it'll give them something to look at while they're waiting for the game to load. And so the game is already loaded, and so let me show you. Like it's already loaded, so it's just fit screen. There you go. I'll just bring this way. There you go. And then once you're in there, just hit play, and we get all this cool stuff. So here is the scoreboard. You want to look at the score at any point. Just notice something, that I need this scoreboard to actually be in front. I'll fix that. Menu in case you want to leave, and then a pin, the pin view, so in case there's some wood and stuff down there that you want to kind of like look at it and make sure you know what you're doing. And then of course the current frame and the current ball that you're on. So as for pin physics, I think I got the physics down very close to, like, I would say I've never played a bowling game on a phone that the physics are as spot on to the real thing as it is on this. Very close. So with this game, the thing about the real game of Candlepin is that a little twist in your wrist could really like throw you off. And so I'm using the mouse pointer right now, and just a little angle off to the right or anything can throw the ball off. So it's gonna require some precision. If you just take the ball up and just whale it down there, there's a chance that you gutter. And as you see, when I just took it up and whale it down there, that did indeed affect how fast it went. So there's not a consistent speed. You can throw it fast, and my suggestion is always just to hold it and not use your thumb, but like use your index finger and just throw it up. So you kind of like aim and then just throw, and hopefully you get a good ball. But yeah, that's it. I have a tool that I'm using to design the alleys, and so as you had seen at the front there, I made a second one, and it's kind of like what it looks like, and so that's definitely a lob. um, I mean, it's okay, but for the sake of releasing the app, I might just have two. Just one for just play, quick play, maybe this, and another one for like the daily tournament I was talking about. So there will be like a daily tournament, I'm thinking, where it lasts from, it starts at a certain time during the day and it ends at a certain time during the day. And then when it ends, the player that had scored the highest during that time gets a payout the next day or something like that. Well, yeah, guys, that's it. Oh, up there. That is it. Hope you guys like. I might have to do what's it call it? Jump start. A jump start for this app, just so it can be maybe I can get some help, hire some help, or market it, so that it actually goes somewhere. Like people that love and enjoy Candlepin can play it during this, pandemic, and also just like myself, people that have moved away from like the New England area, they can still enjoy the wonderful, awesome game of Candlepin, and then they can still play it. So I want to like do like one of those Kickstarter. That's what I was trying to say, a Kickstarter. And I'm just curious if you leave a, if you guys think that's a good idea, leave a message. Let me know. I think that was all. If you have any questions, comment on the video. If you're watching it on YouTube, or comment on the video if you're watching on Facebook. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.